Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy shared folders in Google Drive. To begin, open Google Drive in your browser. If you are starting from a search page, simply select the Google Drive sign-in result and make sure you are logged in to the correct Google account before continuing. This is important because shared folders will only appear in the account they were sent to. Once you are inside Google Drive, this process starts by preparing a destination folder where you want the shared folder to appear. In My Drive, click the New button and create a new folder. Follow the on-screen prompts to name it and save it. This folder will act as the place where you organize the shared content, which makes it much easier to find later. Next, on the other user's side, create a folder that will be shared, then add the intended user so the folder becomes accessible. The key idea here is that the folder must first be shared before it can appear in the receiving account. Now switch back to the receiving account and open the Shared with Me section. This is where Google Drive shows folders and files that other people have shared with you. Find the shared folder you want to copy into your drive. Once you locate it, right-click the folder or click the 3 vertical dots to open more options. From there, choose Organize and then select the option to add a shortcut. Google Drive often uses shortcuts for shared folders rather than creating a full duplicate, so this is the method shown here. You will then be asked where you want to place that shortcut. Select the folder you created earlier as the destination for the shared folder. After choosing the destination folder, confirm the shortcut placement. Next, go to My Drive and open the destination folder you selected. You should now see the shared folder or file added there as a shortcut. This gives you quick access from your own drive without needing to search in Shared with Me each time. At this point, check that the folder appears in the correct location. If needed, you can also manually copy using your keyboard shortcut, such as Ctrl-C, depending on what exactly you are trying to duplicate or organize. Just keep in mind that for shared folders, Google Drive commonly places a shortcut instead of making a true independent copy of the entire folder. Finally, click on the folder name to open and verify its contents. This last check helps confirm that the shared folder is accessible and placed where you want it. And that's how to copy shared folders in Google Drive by adding them into your My Drive for easier access and organization.